The world of the island of Sodor was a magical place with trains of all sorts of designs and stuff. The engines on the island like to be useful, reliable, and right on time. But under all that happiness, there was a village underground.
I'll show those silly engines who's big and who's the best. They'll be shrinking down like a small little pest. So boys are good.
Bob! Oh, what a nice day I'm having today. You know, we seem to have a lot of those on Sodor. What the? What's going on? Run like a storm! Yeah, run! Yeah, every engine for themselves! Henry, what the heck is going on? Why is everyone running? Because something horrible just happened to James! What the heck happened to him? I got trunked. That's what happened. Run away! No, Henry, you're not gonna run away just because James is small. You're smaller than me, for God's sake. Oh. James! Yeah, I'm small. How'd you shrink? I'll tell you who did this. It was Diesel. Diesel? But how could Diesel shrink you? He used some sort of shrinking machine or something. I don't know, it looked kind of like a button. Wait, so Diesel shrinked you? Yes. Oh boy. Jack, where you going? I got something important to do, Henry. Ah! This looks like a job for someone ordered to me. How are we gonna stop Diesel? Diesel? Who's Diesel's voice? Ah! Ow! You know, James, you're actually kind of cute when you're small. Henry, I may be small, but I'm still able to beat you up, you little wuss. I'm not the small one. Guys! I know who can stop Diesel shenanigans. Oh, really? You do? Thomas! Yeah, Diesel shrunk me in this chosen truck. Oh dear, but who do you know who can take down Diesel? The wrong way is better than the great western way! Click, click. I'm sorry, what was that? Perfect! Duck, we need your help! Well, what exactly do you need my help for? Diesel is shrinking engines and cars all around the island. Yes, and he's already done it to me and Thomas, who for some reason is bigger than me. Why are you bigger than me? Maybe Diesel hates you more, so he probably shrunk you a little, smaller. So we need your help to stop him. This is very serious, laddies. Looks like it's time for Darkwing Duck. Let's get dangerous. Alright, so here's our plan. But Jack and Henry are not involved. Why are we not involved? Because I don't like you two. Oh, okay, fine. Bubbling boyless. That hurts my feelings, Duck. I thought we were friends. No, don't worry, Henry. We're still friends. It's just that this plan's gonna be a little too, complicated, so you probably wouldn't understand, okay? So you can go back to the shed. Okay, bye! Okay, everyone, so here's the plan. Okay, Duck, why the heck did you tape us to a truck? Because when we find Diesel, I need to have some ammo, and you guys are going to be my ammo. Same with you, Truck. I have a name, Oh, really? What's your name? My name is Mine! Ha! That's a gay name! Shut up, James. Nobody likes you. It's okay, just Truck. Don't pat me. Okay. So, if Diesel tries to escape, I'm gonna shove you guys at him as ammo. What if we die? Highly unlikely. James might die because he's the smallest out of the bunch. What? But you two, you'll be alive after this, don't worry. Anyways, let's go, laddies. Doc, you pushed us the wrong way. Oh, see, this is the hard part where I'm Earl and this is Trackmaster. Ow. Dang. Alright now, lads, remember, keep an eye out for Diesel. Duck, we've been looking for a while now. Oh, I'm about to fall. Duck? Rusty, hello! Now, have you seen Diesel? Oh, are you trying to find him? Yes, we know about him shrinking all the engines on Sodor. Oh yeah, he was actually just right behind you, I just saw him. Thank you, come on. Wait! Say Birdie. Oh, I got shrunked. Oh dear. Okay, Duck, now I can't even see where Birdie's buffer in my eye. Wait, Birdie has a buffer? And my head feels weak. Probably because you're smaller. Oh, be off with you. I swear, as soon as I'm back to my normal size, I'm gonna biff. Who is that? I don't know, I can barely see. It's Diesel. Oh, you found me. It's too late now, Duck. I already shrunk half. Charge! What the? Ah! Wow! You haven't stopped me just yet. What's happening? I think you're being shrunk, Duck. Ow! Oh dear! Diesel!
Take that, Duck. Diesels are really revolutionary.
Jesus Christ, Diesel. Sounds like you sucked down 10 gallons of helium.
Screw you, James. Anyways, if you want to get this, you have to catch me fast.
No, Diesel! Oh, bother. This was all my fault. How is this your fault, Duck? You didn't do anything. If I didn't charge to attack, Diesel would have gone away and shrinked me. And I'm too slow now because I'm small to catch up to him. This is a disaster. Well, Duck, you have us. We're small like you, but we can help you catch up to Diesel. With all our wind power, we'll be sure to catch up to him. You really think so, Thomas? I believe so, too. Well, I don't know if my couplings work against you guys, so... Minis, assemble! Alright, is everyone ready? Yes!
Am I still going to be using this ammo?
Yes, you are.
Oh, God!
Alright, let's go for the attack! Yeah! Duck. These couplings suck. I hope Duck and the rest are alright.
Ah! Wow! Take that, Duck! That's what you get for being friends with Seamies!
Oh! Hey, what in the donkey is
that old laddie?
Donkey! Oh!
And Duck will never find. Oh, money! I'll take that as well. Woohoo! Yes!
Oh! Oh! Ow! What the? Going somewhere?
Duck! Oh, you thought you could defeat me just like that, did ya?
No, but we all can. Everyone, charge!
You can't do anything. Oh! Ow!
Oh!
Ow! What are you doing? Ah!
I got it!
Ow! Now!
Not so fast!
Guys, the shrinking machine! Let's make ourselves big again! Yes!
Wow! Come back here! Diesel!
Ah! Wow! Oh, Doc, please, no!
I'm sorry, Diesel, but you gotta pay.
Please, no, Doc, I'm sorry!
Remember this, fellas? I don't like diesels.
Racist? No! What the?
probably be dead. I just have a few scrapes and scratches probably, but I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! What? You thought a slipper would knock me out? Are you? Ah! I don't like diesels. Hey dog, I'm back to normal. Oh, that's good. Anyways, time to send you away. Well, first we call this house, so don't that first. Come on. Is anyone else back to normal? Yep. Hello? Did everyone just forget about me? Guys? I'm so small. Huh.